As you know before, let me make this little thin. Okay, equation is having a spelling starting with EQUA, which is derived from equal. So in equation we'll be having an equal to sign. For example, if 5 is added to your age, which I don't know, it becomes 18. This became an equation. Understood? Then variable is this, where its value can change depending on situation. When 5 pens were bought from a shop, I paid 60 rupees. 60 rupees. That means 5 into the price of 1 pen became 60. 5x became 60, where x is a different value. So that became variable. This is the knowledge what you have gained in the previous classes regarding equation and variable. And those equations which have only one variable is simply named as equation in one variable. So let us try to understand the concept of equation in one variable and its application in the most possible simplest form. Okay. To remind you about what you learned more in those classes, the value of the variable, here it was x, varies depending upon equation and the solution, and a particular value, for example 5x is equal to 60 I wrote. So x is equal to 60 upon 5, which is equal to 12. So the solution is 12. The solution for the equation is 12, which satisfies the given condition. Understood? So we call it as a solution. And in any equation, whatever format it may be, in order to get solution, we have to carry out operations. It can be addition, it can be subtraction, it can be multiplication, it can be division. But we carry out that on both sides. These are known to you, I am just repeating. And there is no change in the equation. For example, 8 plus x is equal to 20. So to remove x, we will subtract x from left side. 8 plus x minus 8, then you should subtract x from here. This 8 minus 8 will become x, and 20 minus 8 will become 12, and you get x. That principle we used. On both sides, if you subtract, add or multiply or divide, the equation is balance. I would like to remind you that in class 6th, the chapter equation started with a picture of a balance, beam balance, if you remember. Understood? That means equation is having equal to, equation is having a concept of balancing. Let us do some equations so that you will get the memory more clear, and so that this topic, equation in one variable, will become more clear to you. Okay. I am going to solve some simple equation to prove how equation was, and equation is having a single variable x, y or z, and we solve it by adding, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on numbers on both sides. For example, if it is given x plus 4 is equal to 9, it's an equation. That means we should know what is x. We should remove 4. So what we will do, x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4. Finished. That means 0. X is equal to 5. Understood? We solved the equation. Another situation. X minus 2 is equal to 7. So what we will do? X minus 2 will add 2 on both sides. Minus 2 plus 2 will become 0. That means x is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. Understood? So what we did here, in this case, we subtracted 4 from both sides. Right? Here we added 4 on, sorry, not 4, 2 on both sides. These are all stories because you have studied this. There can be a situation of division and multiplication also. For example, if it is given x upon 3 is equal to 4, we need is x is equal to, so what we will do, x upon 3 multiplied by 3 will be 4 into 3 because multiplied with 3 on both sides. This will get cancelled, x is equal to 12. We multiplied with 3 on both sides. Right? It can be like this also. 4x is equal to 24. x is equal to, हमको मिलना है तो 4 को हटाना पड़ेगा. Then divide with 4 both sides. This will get cancelled and you will get x is equal to 6. So we will write divided both sides by 4. Now I think you could recollect, हाँ ये सब हमने किया है पहले किधर तो कौन सा भी तो क्लास. Now you are in 8th standard, surely it will not be in 9th standard. वो तो इधर 6th में या 7th में. 6th में इक्वेशन पढ़ा, 7th में अप्लाई किया. अभी 8th में we are reaching to the next level. Oh, maths is like that. When we started studying 1, 2, 3, 4, we never imagined that we had to learn multiplication table. When we learned multiplication table, we never thought that division will be the use of it. Subtraction and division became the product of addition and multiplication. When we did that, we thought, okay, all these 4 operations enough to study. Then we found that there are different types of numbers like fraction, decimal numbers, percentage. Lot of such things came. Then we thought, okay, no problem. We will study about fractions, we will study about integers, we will study about decimal, we will study about percentage. Then came line, triangle, rectangle, parallelogram. And ultimately it so happened that all are connected. Here also it is getting connected. Now you are getting connected with 6th and 7th and you will make a bridge for 9th standard now. So let us go ahead because we have to be comfortable in 9th standard. So I have to teach you about solution of equation in one variable. Okay, I will do it afresh. What is it? It is solution of equation in one variable. That is the main aspect of this chapter. Okay, this is the topic. Solution of equation in one variable. Good topic, important topic, having lot of application. solution of equation in one variable. So you will be having solution for different type of equations, right? So let me give a problem to solve. Everything starts with a problem to solve. We have to solve the following. What is the question? The question is 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 3 upon 5 into x plus 4. थोड़ा टेंशन हो गया ना, टेक्स्ट बुक एग्जाम्पल है, but you need to have a teacher, need to get explanation from a teacher, so that it will become easy and clear and you will apply it in future. And in mathematics, डर गए तो आगे नहीं जाएगा गाड़ी. So हम तो डरने वाला नहीं है. This is 5. Now we know that this is an equation. We know that only variable is x and there is an equal to sign also. But x is there on both sides. I have to bring it onto one side to solve it. इतना मुझे मालूम है. Now there is a division here with 5. Here is a multiplication with 2. Here is a multiplication with 3. There are more than one way to solve this equation. First I will think that I will remove this 5. So what I will do? I will remove 5 by multiplying the whole equation with 5. So we will do that. What is that? I will multiply the whole equation with 5. What will happen? 5 into 2 bracket x minus 3. 5 into 2 is 10. So this became 10. So thereby it became 10 into x minus 3. Instead of 2 into x minus 3, 5 times of that is 10 into x minus 3. Correct? Here when I multiplied, what happened? I will write and remove it. This will get dissolved, cancel each other. So it became simply 3 into x plus 4. यही मेरा plan था. So I will write here multiplying both side by 5. तो मेरा वो डिनोमिनेटर का झंझट निकल गया. Now I will open the bracket. 10 into x, 10x minus 30 is equal to 3x plus 15. Sorry, not 15. ये 4 है ना इधर, तो ये 4 होना मांगते. किधर है अपना इरेजर? Here it is 3 into x 4, it is 12. Naturally here also 12. You also should do mistake. Mistake से आपका perfection आ जाता है. बार बार mistake करके ध्यान दो नहीं. अभी for me writing on a screen like is taking half of my concentration. जाने दो. There is no excuse for mistakes. Now I have to keep all x left side. Otherwise I should remove 30 from here. Anything I can do. I will remove 30 from here first. So क्या करना पड़ेगा? I will do subtract 30 from here. अभी 30 है ना, तो minus 30 है, तो मैं add करेगा 30. तो 30 plus 30 0 हो गया. But I should add it on the other side. Okay. तो नेक्स्ट स्टेज में ये नहीं रहेगा. आपको दिखाने के लिए मैं राउंड कर रहा हूँ. आपको नहीं करना है, आपको तो करते जाना है. -30 plus 30 से लिए राउंड किया. Okay. So that became, there is no x here, 10x minus 30 plus 30. So remaining is 10x here, no problem. Here it became 3x only, 12 plus 30, 42. Oh. Now I will bring this 3x to the left side. For that I should 10x minus 3x. That means ये 3x को left में लाया बोलता है, लेकिन minus 3x on the left side and माइनस 3x ऑन द राइट साइड ऑल्सो, तो क्या होगा, प्लस 3x माइनस 3x कैंसिल हो गया. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेज में क्या आएगा, 10x माइनस 3x क्या होता है, 7x, 3x माइनस 3x 0, 7x इज इक्वल टू 42. अभी 7 को हटाना है, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, 7x डिवाइडर बाई 7, 7 निकल जाएगा, 42 राइट साइड में भी सेम 7, so this will get cancelled. X is equal to 42 upon 7, 6. आंसर मिल गया. Understood? So this way we can solve. थोड़ा लंबा रास्ता था. Why? There was a denominator to remove. ये denominator को remove करना जरूरी था. Then here I opened the bracket. But everywhere you have to write. Here I wrote multiply both sides by 5. Here what I did, here adding 30 on both sides. ठीक है, adding 30 on both sides. Here I have subtracted 3x from both sides. Here dividing both sides बाय 7, तभी ये काम हो गया. बट काम हो गया ना, मैथ्स को उतना ही मतलब है, काम होना मांगता है, आंसर मिलना मांगता है. आई टोल्ड यू एट द बिगिनिंग देयर इज अनदर वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस, फॉर दैट आई हैव टू रीकॉपी द क्वेश्चन अगेन, और एक बार बनाएंगे. इसमें क्या है, यू कैन सॉल्व इट इन डिफरेंट मेथड और यू कैन हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, मेथड 1 is okay. We'll think about different method when we'll become expert. Another question, क्योंकि वही क्वेश्चन करने में मजा नहीं आता. 9x minus 4 is equal to 6x plus 29. आप खुद करेंगे अभी. पॉज द वीडियो, फिर करो, फिर वापस आ जाओ. मालूम है x मिलना है हमको, दैट इज आवर टारगेट. वी विल डू वन थिंग, ये पहले 4 को निकालेंगे लेफ्ट साइड से, 9x माइनस 4 प्लस 4, ये ऐड किया, प्लस 4 किया. तो हम क्या करेंगे, मैं इधर कलर का खेल खेलता हूँ. 6x प्लस 29, इधर भी हम प्लस 4 करेंगे. मैं मेरा डिजिटल का फैसिलिटी यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. यू कैन नॉट यूज़ कलर. यू विल राइट एडिंग 4 ऑन बोथ साइड. आई एम शोइंग इट बाई कलर, वो मेरा फैसिलिटी है अभी. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, -4 + 4 कैंसिल हो गया, मतलब 0 हो गया. तो 9x लेफ्ट में, 6x वैसे ही रहेगा बेचारा. 29 + 4 33. नाउ वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस 6x फ्रॉम राइट साइड. तो क्या करेंगे, लेफ्ट में से भी 6x सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो आई विल डू -6x, देन आई विल हैव 6x - 6x इधर भी प्लस 33. इसको रेड कलर करना है. मैं कलर का गेम खेल रहे हैं ना. नो व्हाट विल हैपन, ऑन द राइट साइड वी नो दैट 6x - 6x 0 हो गया, दैट मीन्स 33 बैलेंस. हियर 9x - 6x लाइक टर्म्स, इट विल बिकम 3x, दैट मीन्स 3 को रिमूव करना है. सो व्हाट विल डू, वी विल डिवाइड बोथ साइड बाय 3. सॉरी, कलर गेम भूल गया. Divide here by 3, here also by 3. तो आंसर क्या होगा, दिस विल गेट कैंसल. x is equal to 33 upon 3, 11. आंसर मिल गया. आपको यही करना है एक्सरसाइज में, दूसरा कुछ नहीं है. कैसे भी x फाइंड आउट करना है, कैसे भी मतलब बाय यूजिंग द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. कैसे भी बोले तो गाइड खोल के देखने का, नहीं तो इंटरनेट में ढूंढने का. दिस इज 11 नहीं दिख रहा है क्या, कुछ दूसरा दिख रहा है. लेट इट बी 11 लाइक दिस 11. इंटरनेट और आस्किंग योर फ्रेंड, कॉपीइंग फ्रॉम समवेयर. नो, नॉट लाइक दैट. जैसे आप साइकिल चलाने को पढ़ा था वैसे खुद पढ़ा ना. दूसरे चलाने से हमको क्या सीखने आया, कुछ नहीं. The same way. चलो, we will do another different type. We have different types. Here you have only simple addition, subtract. Here you had a denominator, correct? So these are all different types of things. अब सोचते हो कि सर का बोर्ड क्या पूरा हिल रहे हैं, नया टेक्निक यूज करके देख रहा हूँ. चलो. Here is another question, not method. The question is 2/3 plus 5a is equal to 4. Again, इसमें x तो नहीं दिख रहा है. So any English alphabet can be variable. अगर 5 आ लेगा हिंदी भी चलेगा, लेकिन लिखता नहीं है. We are copying all foreign methods. चलो हमको ये चाहिए, ये 5a का a को हमको लेफ्ट में अकेला करना है. पहले what we will do, we will try to remove 3. Then we will try to remove 3 is an easy job. Multiplying by 3 on both sides, it will remove 3. फिर भी 2 नहीं जाएगा, 3 जाएगा तो भी. Then we will remove 2. Then we will remove 5. Then a will be remaining. चलो step wise करेंगे. So what I should do, I should remove 3 first. For that I should multiply with 3 on both sides. चलो what I should do, 2/3 ये हम कर रहा हूँ into 3. ऐसा लिखना गलत है. So we will do one thing differently. We will write 3 on first into करेंगे. ये इक्वेशन को वैसे ही लिखेंगे. So this is not given in bracket. So this 3 must be applicable to both. The whole equation on the left side should be multiplied by 3. ध्यान रखो, ऐसा नहीं कि 2/3 को applicable करेगा, 5/a को नहीं. The same way, whole on the right side also must be multiplied with 3. Earlier also we did the same. Earlier also we did the same. I will show you. Here there was no bracket and there is no common multiplication, addition, subtraction. These are देखो 2 into x plus 3 when we multiplied with 10, 5, this became 10 and that influenced both x and 3. इसलिए इधर 30 आ गया. Same way, here we put the bracket to solve the situation. Okay, I don't think these are all difficult for you. Now we will apply our common sense to open the topic. In that, open the bracket, not topic. 3 into 2/3 means only 2 will be there. 2 will be there. 2. Digital issues. 2 will be there. Three into 5a, 15a. Bracket open. This is 12. अभी हमको 2 को हटाना है. 2 plus 15a minus 2. That means 12 minus 2. That means is get cancelled. 15a आप लिख के कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे, आप डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे. इस आपको समझने के लिए कैंसिलेशन दिखा रहा हूँ. I will remove 15. How? By dividing with 15. Right? So this will get cancelled. एक ट्रायंगल आ रहा है, उनका स्टाइल है. So next stage you will write a on left side is equal to 10/15. You can make it simple. Both can be divided by 5. So 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So this can be the answer of A. A मिल गया, answer मिल गया. This is having lot of similarity with the first one. And that time I told that there is a different method also. Here also different method is possible. You are having a question 2 upon 3 plus 2a. You can directly remove 2 upon 3. I will show you simply 2 upon 3 plus 5a is equal to 4. इधर अपना आंसर हो गया. दूसरे मेथड में जरा. So what I will do, 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 plus 5a, here also 4 minus 2 upon 3. So this will get cancelled. You will have 5a is equal to 4 minus 2 upon 3. 3 will be the LCM. Here it will be 12 minus 2. That means 5a is equal to 10 upon 3. A is equal to, we will divide it with 5 on both sides. Correct? So this will become a, this will become 2, and a is equal to 2 upon, sorry, जरा जगह का प्रॉब्लम हो गया, 2 okay, you got 5a is equal to 10, 5a is equal to 10 upon 3. We'll divide here with 5, here also with 5. This will get cancelled. You will get 2 over here. A is equal to 2 upon 3. वही तो इधर भी मिला था. Understood? So there is some kind of common sense we need to use every time. Common sense every time, every second. Not only in maths. Every moment we should use common sense, otherwise very dangerous. बस this kind of thing you should love. क्या है वो? एक प्रॉब्लम आया, सॉल्यूशन निकाला. दूसरा प्रॉब्लम आया, सॉल्यूशन निकाला. लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम आया, solution निकालना. So one who is what we say comfortable with maths will never fear in front of any problem. क्यों? हमको मालूम है हर प्रॉब्लम को एक सोल्यूशन है. एकदम अजीब से प्रॉब्लम आएगा, अनएक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉब्लम आएगा, we will not fear because we have done our mathematics thoroughly. For example, if it is simply given, x minus 7 upon x minus 2 is equal to 5 upon 4, ये क्या है? पूरा denominator numerator जैसा दिया है, which never expected in life. Unexpected problem. We know that we need x. X must be found. तो फिर क्या करो? You have to do something. I don't remember whether you learned cross multiplication or we will remove 5 upon 4 in such a way that you have to multiply this with, मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ आपको इसी के लिए, 4 upon 5 on right side. Understood? Here also with 4 upon 5. तो क्या होगा? This will get cancelled. Here it will be 4 into x minus 7 upon 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry, not 0, is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Okay? That means we can write like this. 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 5 into x minus, here ing to shape करके एक function चालू है, x minus 2. You can open the bracket 4x minus, it's 28 is equal to 5x minus 10. 4x, what we will do now? We will bring the, cancel the x, this one on the right side. We have to do minus 5x. So here also minus 5x. We are going to cancel this from the right side. Minus 28 is equal to, ये minus 5x के तो निकल गया, so minus 10. Understood? So 4x minus 5x. 4x minus 5x आए तो हमको दूसरा एक चीज याद आई, इंडीजर्स. The answer will be minus 1x is equal to 28. We will add here 28 on the left side, same on the right side. When we add 28 on the left side, this will become 0, and minus 10 plus 28 will come on right side. That means minus 1x is equal to minus 10 plus 28 means 18. Okay, so we are reaching to the answer now. In that case, x is equal to minus 18. So my dear students, प्रॉब्लम कैसे भी आने दो, हम सॉल्व करेंगे. सॉल्यूशन है हर एक प्रॉब्लम के लिए. ओके, सो वी कुड सॉल्व दिस सम ऑल्सो. चलो, that is a different sum. In fact, sometimes such sums come in exercise. There is a sum like this. That's why it is given in the example. Examples are examples. If somebody asks you give a sample student from class 8, तो वो student को लेगा जो सबके लिए example है, and who is good in studies, good in behavior, good in what we say extracurricular activities. That will be the example from class 8. This will be the last example to explain to you. Thereafter you will go through the video again and again, go through the textbook again and again, go through your 6th and 7th standard textbook. Then you will start exercise and you will do it yourself. And this kind of questions are very useful because equations are getting solved, and equations are made and then solved next year. And again, whenever you have to go for a competitive exam to get into a good profile or good job in your life, you need to know equation in one variable. Come back one more. The last option for you, 8m minus 1 is upon 2m plus 3 is equal to 2. डिफरेंस क्या है लास्ट सम से? लास्ट सम में दोनों साइड में ऐसा था. That is why I applied this common sense. There are various other ways. Textbook is having a slightly different one. Now what to do? You have to remove this 2, or you have to get what is the value of m. So what I will do? I will consider 2 as 2 upon 1. That value is same, no? बाकी सब जो last time किया है. But there is a interesting thing. It is equivalent, and now I am telling a technique. Multiply this with the numerator, this with this, you will get the same. What will happen? 2 into 2m plus 3, 1 into 8m minus 1. Why I said? Because last time when to remove 5 upon 4, when I did this 4 upon 5, ultimately what happened? 4 into x minus 7, they go here, and 5 into x minus 2. So from here, this position, this particular location, I am jumping here in the next case. What I will write in the next line? I will write directly in such a way that 1 into 8m minus 1, 2 into 2m plus 3, right? Easy ho gaya. So this is 8m minus 1 only. This is 2 into 2m means 4m plus 6. And we will subtract 8m. There are various ways. You will bring this m to left side. We don't want 4m right side. That means we have to subtract 4m. So we will subtract 4m here. Minus 1. Oh, there is 4m minus 4m. Minus 4m करेगा तो क्या होगा? It will become 0, so that means 6 over here. And I will take this minus 1 to the right side in the next stage. 8m minus 4m is equal to 4m, and this minus 1 to be removed by adding plus 1, तो इधर 6 plus 1 हो जाएगा. 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. 4m is equal to 7. To remove 4, I have to divide both sides with 4. So this will become m, and here 7 divided by 4. Oh, बहुत अजीब सा आंसर मिल गया. जाने दो, आंसर का ब्यूटी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, आंसर का करेक्टनेस इम्पोर्टेंट है. m is equal to 7 upon 4. Now you will watch the video once again and will get into practice. The one who will practice will get the idea to solve, and then slowly they will get the speed to solve, then they will become expert and they will follow the next level of maths. Beautiful word problems will come in the next video. At that time you will create equation and solve. Something like my grandmother's age is 10 more than 4 times my age of my grandmother, and my grandmother's age is so and so, what is the age of so and so, like that. Sometime about age, sometime about what we say weight, sometime about money transaction. Everywhere you will create equation and solve, and you will love it, in fact. So my dear students, watch the video again and pause the video whenever you are feeling overloaded or bored, but do it yourself. Thank you. Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.